hours?
3 hours of these hiccups.
What have you tried?
Huh?
So what have you tried?
Holding my breath, eating something, drinking water. I don't know what else to try.
Had someone try and scare you?
That would work.
What's that?
That would work. That's the rumors. That's how everywhere else is.
Ah!
Oh wow, that worked. You did scare me a little bit.
Just pull back
Yeah.
on the handle there.
You did scare me a little bit. Let me see.